Hi y'all, I just wanted to tell y'all real quick that this video is about the IOD holiday release for 2026. It's really good. It has some transfers, some molds, some stamps, some accessory items, and I will have some of those things available. I'm going to showcase a few of those today on this video, and all kind of looks, y'all. They have cute and Christmassy, like vintage, kind of moody, and I don't know, Old English or Scottish or European. They have some year-round things. They have autumn and fall. Anyway, I made some items just to give y'all a little inspiration. I'm super excited to dive in more. But anyway, I will have links in the description of all the things. You can go to the store in Slidell, Louisiana. Eclectic Finds will have some of the items. If you need me to order something for you, I can certainly try to do that. Just contact me. My online store will be going live hopefully soon. Anyway, super excited about these things. And again, on a side note, yes, I am doing more furniture flips. So always furniture in the background. We'll see if we can do something about that one day. But anyway, stay tuned and enjoy. This is the Stag Tavern transfer. It gives the feel of a cozy English pub mixed with a Ralph Lauren Hunt Club vibe. It can be used for English Christmas themes, but also it has some fall. The Angels Sing Gilded transfer is folk art inspired. It has gold pages and silver pages and can be used on glass or wood or whatever you want, really. The Darling Holiday transfer is retro inspired, like golden books and their illustrations from when I was a little girl. This transfer pack has a very traditional Christmas feel. It's very sweet and one of my favorites. The Bramblewood Diaries is by artist Jane Carkle. It has woodland creatures and botanicals of different seasons, and this also is one of my favorites. I think it looks very, very sweet. Look at that. So cute. Next is the Hazel and Bay Mold, which is an English motif of hazelnuts and bayberries, and it can be used with resin or air dry clay or even chocolate. The Timely Tale 4-sheet stamp set is also illustrated by artist Jane Carkle, and it pairs perfectly with journals, calendars, and cards, and coordinates with 5mm journal spacing. This is called Flurry Stamp, and it's snowflakes of different types. You'll see that I start my first project here. It is, I don't know what, a box with a clasp, and it looked kind of moody, so I wanted to use the Stag Tavern transfer set to keep with the moody feel. I thought somebody could use it maybe for Christmas card storage or gift box wrapping supplies storage, like scissors and tags and scotch tape. Anyway, you'll see I wanted some gold and glitz to brighten it up a little bit. So the deer and these snowflakes are from the Stag Tavern, from the Angel Sing Gilded transfer set. And I think it pairs perfectly with the Stag Tavern set. Just adds a little bit of zhuzh to it. The next thing I do is this notebook, journal book. It did have some gold stamped lettering that I wanted to hide. I wasn't sure if the transfer would do it, but it did. It perfectly hid the indentation and the gold, and I was very, very happy with the coverage from this transfer. I would imagine all the transfers from the IOD sets would cover that well because they're all made the same way. So here I'm getting just this put on the cover. And next there's a page that I need to cover a little white insignia. So I'll put a transfer over that. And then I balance it off with another transfer, a little bow, just to kind of even off the page visually. I thought it looked a little better with 2 transfers on it instead of just one. And then you'll see on the back, I'm I'm going to flip it over in a minute. And there's another golden word stamped thing that I just need to cover. So again, the transfer covered it beautifully, and it really, really came out cute. I think this could be used for Christmas list, Christmas things to do, plans, and I think it could be used year after year because there's a whole lot of pages in it, and I think that would be a sweet way to keep your Christmas ideas. This is the stamp set that I couldn't wait to try. That's the Timely Tale stamp set. Here I'm using some masks to help with stamp layering. I'll show you how to do that in another video. It's a technique to really make the stamps pop and look like they're all together instead of individual. It's very great idea to really give you versatility. Also, this stamp set has a calendar that I'm going to use in just a minute. And the calendar works for any month, for any configuration of when the date starts of which day of the week. It's really genius how they figured that out, that this calendar can work for any month, any year, no matter what. And so you see that I'm stamping it. I make sure it doesn't slide. I've had that mistake happen more than once, so I'm just learning and getting better and being more patient with it so that the stamps come out clear, and this stamp came out crystal clear. And next I'm going to start coloring it in just a minute. You see there I'm just lining up the numbers and they go perfectly. They just do. Next I will start coloring it. And I just decided to use the colored pencils that my grandchildren use when they come visit and they're doing art or coloring, and the colored pencils work great. You'll see at the end how beautiful this calendar looks, and I think I definitely want to do it again in different configurations on different things, maybe cards, maybe more calendars. It just really came out great. You'll see. Here we go, just finishing it up, the little details, and then the final products right here. So this is the box that I thought would be for cards, and when my husband saw private stock on there, he said, that's not for cards, and it's not for gift wrap supplies. It's for a bottle. And I'm like, maybe so. It is kind of a tavern feel. It is called Stag Tavern. So I did what he said and used his suggestion, and boop, there's the bottle. Okay. Anyway, you can use it for whatever you want. But I just thought, our ideas were so different. Next, I'm going to show you the notebook. And, I forgot. That was the side with the golden deer. And then the other side has a golden deer. And didn't it come out great? I just love the look of it. Even though it's folk art, it's very stately, I think. Or maybe because it's mixed with the Stag Tavern transfer, it's stately. But here's that little book for Christmas notes, for who gets what, for who's bringing what food, who's bringing what games. And I think, like I said before, it could be used year after year. There's the back, and nothing is showing through the transfers. It really came out great. And then the last thing is that calendar. And I don't know if this is weird, but I think I might put it in my bathroom in November when the time comes, because that's when things start getting a little crazy, and just so I know what's what.